The project, A Way Home on the Way Home, led by ADRA Serbia, uses a bus that is specially equipped to provide support and hope to thousands of homeless individuals. The project stands out as an impactful and innovative humanitarian initiative.
Tell us about the bus, the ADRA bus, its purpose and why it's there. And I understand yours is the only kind of ministry in Serbia that's doing this.
Exactly. So there is no other charity or any other actor doing this. That bus is an intercity bus, that kind of bus. We turned into a mobile home. So it has one small office for doctors and for social workers. And the largest part is for showers and toilet. It basically is an idea I got infested with by watching some similar things in the States, to come to the homeless community, so coming to where they are, because presently there are probably 5,000 or 10,000 homeless people in Serbia, in Belgrade, only in Belgrade, without any services of these kinds: hygiene, relief aid distribution, healthcare, which is not accessible to them, by the way, and psychosocial support, which is a bridge to integration back to the society. So we started it. It turned out to be only one bus, but it became a symbol of what we are doing, because we are going where they are, and the whole idea of the project is written on the bus. It says, "A road home on the way to house." We believe it is a basic human right. It's about dignity, it's about safety, about being human, that everyone must have a house, a living space, a decent living space. But until we don't manage that everyone to get it in Serbia, we can provide this kind of home. And a home is a place of support where you can be treated as a human being and where hope is born.
As I saw it this morning, it seems that about 100 people go through each morning, each afternoon.
Yes.
This is serious numbers.
Yes. If we would have more than 8 colleagues in the team who work, we would, I'm sure, go more than we have now. We have in our now database 1,000 people we are supporting. It's very tough to be able to support them regularly with a small team, let's say. We estimate that the number is probably 5,000 or 10,000 people. 3/4 of them don't have IDs nor medical health care. Or if they have a health care, they're not able, because of the mental state, to go themselves. Sometimes they are discriminated, sometimes they are really in not well in sense of hygiene condition. So they know they're not welcomed and they don't even go there. But they are all suffering from chronic diseases, some disabled, some with impaired mobility problems. So the difficulty is there are as many single unique stories as there are people we try to serve. Not only immediately, healthcare and everything, but ideally to integrate them back to society.